All right, manufacturing, this is part 3. We're going to take our sketch that we just did and make it a 3D object, but make it a 3D object as if it was made out of sheet metal, so we can unfold it at the end. So I'm going to hit green check and be done with my sketch. I can look at the view cube off to the right and click on a corner, and I can see it's just that little U shape in a 2D sketch. Now at the very top of my screen, I'm going to find my sheet metal model tool. Click on that. This little pop-up is going to happen. There's a lot of ways to make a sheet metal part. Just follow along with me because if I show you every way, you'll get confused. I'm going to go over to extrude and click on all my lines. And you're going to see they start to pop out in 3D. And they have the bend as if we bent a piece of metal. Let's have our depth on this one be 6. Hit enter and hit green check. That was part 3 of our sheet metal box. Part 4 is going to add in some flaps. Part 5 is going to add in some tabs. And then part 6 is going to add in a hem so we don't cut ourselves on the sharp edge at the top.